Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to change a Nissan Altima tail light. First, make sure you have your new bulb and a screwdriver ready. Open your trunk and locate the tail light assembly on the side you're working on. You'll see the wiring harness connected to the back of the light. Gently disconnect this harness by pressing the tab and pulling it free. This prepares the light for removal. Now, look inside the trunk near the tail light. You'll find two retaining nuts that secure the assembly. Use your screwdriver to carefully remove these nuts. Once they are off, gently pull the entire tail light assembly straight back from the vehicle. It might be a little snug, but avoid forcing it. Then, twist the bulb socket counterclockwise to release the old bulb. With the old bulb out, insert your new bulb into the socket and twist it clockwise until it locks into place. Now, carefully align the new tail light assembly with the mounting studs on your vehicle. Gently push it into position, ensuring it sits flush. Reinstall the two retaining nuts you removed earlier, tightening them securely but not excessively. This ensures a proper fit and prevents rattling. Finally, reconnect the electrical wiring harness to the back of the new tail light assembly. Make sure it clicks firmly into place to ensure a good connection. Before closing your trunk, turn on your vehicle's headlights and brake lights to confirm the new bulb is working correctly. This quick check saves you from having to reopen everything later. You've successfully replaced your tail light. Also, be sure to check the description below for a link to the new Kindle Paperwhite and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.